So now you're compounding the problem with keeping it tightly slots. I have 2 slots that I have to keep tight, and I have to keep those 2 bars that I put on there parallel, and that's hard to do. So if you look at our sled, and our sled is also like 15 years old. If you look at our sled, there's a little bit different. I've seen other people make single-sided sleds with 1 runner. If you do that, then you have to have another piece of wood on the other side of the table for the board to be running on. Because if you don't, the board is up in the air off of the table, and then when you cut it, it falls down and it tears it up at the end. So you do something on the side. Most people do these double-sided sleds. This allows you to get way out here like this. This piece that's in here, you're going to say, well, why is that there? Why isn't this flat? It's because somebody destroyed our sled and they cut an angle. What that did is it takes one side of it, this side, and it goes like that. So when you cut a small piece off, now I have this little space that's like a wedge, and all the pieces would fall down in there and then immediately explode. So I put this on here because we don't really use this sled to its fullest extent to cut big things anymore. Because if this doesn't work for you, the next stop for you is a sliding table saw. That whole big table that slides is nothing more than a miter gauge. That whole thing that makes it what it is a miter gauge. Because it's really difficult to cut big rectangles like that, square, on this saw. You would have to have that 8-foot length going out that way on this sled, somebody holding that end up, keeping it from twisting, keeping this from moving, and it's nearly impossible. So if you need something bigger than this, that's the next stop. They do make aftermarket sliding tables for these saws, of which I have one in my shop, and we had the same one here before we had that. They work, but they tend to be a bit fussy. They really work for like one person. But there are lots of people using it, beating it up, banging, throwing boards on it like you would in a regular professional shop. They go out of whack pretty easily. You gotta use it pretty gently.
What piece would you cut on the sled?